welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to talk about what to do if you encounter a problem with your camera on your iPhone being shaky. If it's shaky, it's kinda not very natural, it behaves differently than you're used to. Okay, so how we can fix this problem, right? So the first step would be to take off the case of our iPhone, okay? As what we need to do first is simply make sure that the lens on your camera on your iPhone is clean. Well, mine is clean, however, if yours is not, I recommend it to clean it. Don't do it with your fingers, try using some cloth, okay? So once this one done, well, go back to your camera and see how it works now. If it didn't help you, the second step would be to unlock our phone and find the settings application on our iPhone. Now tap on it once. Now in the settings, what you want to do, you want to go slightly down to find this general tab. Now we tap on it once. What you want to do here is to find this software update. We tap on adjust as well. And now it is looking for an update. Okay, so now I can see that my iPhone has an update that needs to be downloaded and updated. However, I don't have any problems with my camera. However, what I want to say is that your software update might be related to the camera issues, camera problems, okay? So try to update it if you have it, right? If the update did not help you yet, what you can do as well, and that will likely help you, is restarting your iPhone by a force restart, okay? So how it is being done. You need to locate two buttons, the volume up button, volume down button, and then you will need to also click the power button and hold the power button. Okay, so this is how it is being done. Volume up, volume down, and holding the power button. Okay, now what it is offering us is to slide to power off, and that's what we want to do. We're sliding to power off, now we're waiting for it to turn off. Okay, now it can see that the screen went completely black. Now leave it for 10 seconds for it to stay in this idle position, okay? Now what you need to do is to turn it on by simply holding the power button for a couple of seconds. Okay, now it can be seen that the iPhone is now being turned on. Okay, after that is being done, try to use your camera once again and see if it's still shaky, and I'm pretty sure that one of the methods I showed you will help you. Okay, if you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.